Hi, this is Ben with your Cayuga Nature Center and Tompkins County forecast for the weekend of April 12th of 2024. So looking at the mid to upper levels this weekend, we have a trough that's kind of sitting on top of us today on Friday that's going to move out during the day Saturday, and then some upper level diverging air and a small shortwave disturbance should move over the region on Sunday and bring elevated precipitation chances to the area. Looking at the surface, we have a relatively strong low pressure system here over southern Canada that is moving north through the remainder of the day today into tomorrow morning. The precipitation on the back side of this low pressure system may fall as snow in some of the higher elevations of central and western New York and in northern New York. And then we follow that up with another disturbance that brings precipitation chances back to the area on Sunday afternoon, as you can see here. Now, looking at the day-to-day forecast, this is for Friday. This is the situation at 9 a.m. on the left here with wind speed and direction shown. We do have that low pressure system here sitting off to our northwest, and we have a cold front sitting off just to the west of Ithaca. And this is going to result in breezy southwest winds throughout the day, with temperatures actually falling to the 40s and low 50s by the evening hours. Our lows overnight are going to be from the low to upper 30s in the area. And we do expect rain to resume in the late afternoon, and then that switch over to snow at some of the higher elevations to occur overnight. Moving into Saturday, this on the left here is an indication of what our precipitation type might look like Saturday morning. This is at 10 a.m. And we do see, again, a mix of rain and snow depending on elevation across Tompkins County. It's worth noting here that this snow is not going to have significant impacts. We don't expect much accumulation, if any at all, because our surface temperatures are so warm across the region. But nonetheless, we do have this chance of light rain and snow showers that persist through the afternoon on Saturday, and then breezy conditions with temperatures staying well below normal in the upper 30s to low 40s and lows in the mid 30s across the area. This is a look at a vertical profile, a forecasted vertical profile of the atmosphere in Ithaca on Saturday morning. And what we see is that this blue line is the freezing level here. So we have a relatively shallow area of above freezing temperatures, but nonetheless, they're above freezing temperatures and they could cause some of that snow to switch over to rain in the valleys of Tompkins County throughout the early morning and mid-morning hours of Saturday. Now, moving on to Sunday, we have a highly variable temperature forecast for Sunday with highs from the low 50s to low 60s, lows from the upper 30s to upper 40s. And this is mainly due to the fact that we expect a round of showers in the morning, but then another line of showers with possible embedded thunderstorms and much colder air behind it, moving through during the late afternoon and early evening hours. But the timing of this line is not exactly certain yet. And varies between models. So if we have this line move in later, we could have some warm air surge up into the region before this line kind of pushes it out. And this could result in higher high temperatures throughout the area. But if that line arrives earlier than expected, we could have suppressed or lower high temperatures. So there is a lot of uncertainty there, but overall we expect Sunday to be a warmer day with some precip chances, and even maybe a chance of thunderstorms throughout the area.